everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel German Geek, and today in lesson 10 we'll be talking about seasons in German. Yes, you will learn all the seasons in German, so let's begin. A1 lesson 10 seasons in German. What do we call season in German? The Jahreszeit. Okay, and what would be the plural of seasons? Seasons. Die Jahreszeiten. Ein Jahr hat 4 Jahreszeiten. A year has 4 seasons. Okay, so let's quickly look at all those 4 seasons. First, der Frühling. The spring. Spring is the season of new beginnings. The spring season in India is in the month of March and April. März und April we say in German. If you have not watched my video of months in German, then I will paste the link in the description below and you can go and watch that video. Now, the seasons in German is a bit different, which we would see by the end of this video. First, let's look at what are the 4 seasons in German. Der Frühling, the spring. Second, der Sommer, the summer. Third, der Herbst, the autumn or fall. Fourth, der winter, the winter. Now let's look at some questions about seasons. Wie ist es im Frühling? How is it in spring? You would see the German question here and the English translation here. So when we are talking about seasons, we use the preposition im. So, wie ist es im Frühling? Because all the seasons, it takes masculine gender. So, wie ist es im Frühling? Answer would be, im Frühling ist es warm. It is warm in spring. The Blumen blühen. The flowers blossom. So, moving on. Im Sommer ist es heiß. It is hot in summer. Alles ist grün. Everything is green. If you are asked a question, welche Jahreszeit magst du? Ich mag, then spring. So, this question means, which season do you like? I like spring. You could say any season that you like. Now let's look at a Jahreszeiten und Monate, seasons and months. In Germany, this is how the months are divided for each season. In India, we also have monsoon, but in German, we combine all of these under 4 seasons. So, der Frühling, März, April, Mai. From März to Mai, the season they have is spring. In spring, it is usually mild and pleasant with some of the last snow. Spring in India, we usually see in March and April. Next, der Sommer. So, Juni, Juli and August. In summer, it is warm and sunny, and they have the months from Juni to August. Whereas in India, we mostly have it in May and June. And in July and August, we have monsoon. Next, der Herbst. September, October, November. They have autumn and fall or fall from September to November. Here we usually have it in October and November. In autumn it is chilly and rainy in Germany. There winter. December, January, February. So which is same as India. From December to February they have winters which is cold and snowy. So I hope you learned the seasons. How do we say it in German? So schreib mir doch einen Kommentar. Was ist deine Lieblingsjahreszeit? Which means let me know in the comments below what is your favorite season. Do like, share and subscribe. If you have watched the video till the end, you know the drill, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.